Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Canva AI image generator free. So to create an account on Canva, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Canva and log in or sign up using your email account or Google account. Now, this is what it looks like. In Canva, there are tons of templates and designs that you can use. Canva is a popular online design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, such as social media graphics, presentations, posters, videos, and more. Canva also offers an intuitive drag and drop interface, making it accessible even to non designers, or let's just say beginners. Canva provides a vast library of templates, fonts, images, and other designs elements, enabling users to quickly and easily create professional quality visuals. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so the good thing about this Canva is that you can just simply go to create design and then look for the specific template or design that you want. For example, if you want to post a design or if you want to create a video or post a picture on a specific social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, and you don't know the exact ratio or custom size, then you can just simply go and then search for Instagram or TikTok, let's just say Instagram picture, Instagram video, then you will see there the exact size for that specific design. So let's just say I want to post on my Instagram account. Okay, so I wanted to post a video. So I have here the custom size. So let me tap this Instagram video right here. And then it will take you directly to the template. And what you're going to do here, since we are focused on this AI or Canva AI image generator, here in Canva, they have launched or they have introduced this new feature, the apps. Okay, so that is on the left side, on the left panel, you can see their features. And one of the features there is this apps. Inside the apps, you can search for image generator or a lot of things that you can see here, like text to speech, image trimmer, and a lot more things. So before there is this text to image, but unfortunately they have erased this one and they have changed this to image AI generator. So all you have to do is to look for image generator or image AI generator, and then you have to open that, add some words, keys, or prompts, and they will generate an image for you. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So we are now an AI image generator. All you have to do is scroll down or tap this open right here. And you can now start adding some keywords or prompts or any words that you want, and then they will generate an image for you. So let's just say I'm opening a business on my Instagram and I want to showcase or promote my products. However, I'm looking for a specific picture that can captivate my audience attention. Actually, aside from image, you could also create or add a video here. So just upload a video with the same custom size or ratio. But since we're focused on how to use this AI generator in Canva, then all you have to do is to add keywords here and prompts and let this application create or generate the picture for you. So this is the example. You can set this as your background image if you want. So this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to save this and go to your Instagram and post this one. Or you can even add more elements. For example, you can add text, you can add objects. Let's just say you're making a makeup tutorials and this is your image, or this is the image that you're going to use. So all you have to do is to add some text here, elements, and everything is up to you. So aside from generating image, you can also, of course, edit a lot of things inside Canva, such as effects, font text, font size, font colors. You can even remove a background here. Now I'm going to add prompts here on AI image generator. And what you're going to do after you have added prompts here, then all you have to do is to tap create. So once you tap create, and then all you have to do is to wait for a couple of seconds as it is generating the right or perfect image for you or picture for you. So if you want to add keywords or add words, then all you have to do is to add it. But of course, there is a limitation. So as you can see, it's now generating image, and this is what it looks like. Here, you can use this image for promoting your product. If you want to copy and paste, if you want to multiply this image, then you can just do it inside this blank page on Canva. So also aside from this one, let's just say I wanted to create, or I wanted AI image generator to help me promote a specific picture for my product. So let's just say I want to add another prompts here, and I want to be very specific. Okay, for example, this one. Actually, you can create your own. If you don't know how to create one, you can ask ChatGPT for it. You can ask ChatGPT for prompts, or you can create your own prompts. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to add something, just add. And after that, all you have to do is to tap create and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Anyways, if you're not contented with the result or outcome, feel free to change some keywords and prompts here. It's up to you. So this is what it looks like. And once you're okay, then all you have to do is to tap share and download. However, you can see this surprised me. If you're going to tap the twine, as you can see, the image is kind of different from what we have asked. So maybe this one is good if you're looking for anime or something, like if you want to create books, something like that. So for me, it's like business, and I want to be very specific with the image and the objects. And it's different from creating anime or books or something like that. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like. Now, let's just say you wanted to look for wallpapers. Also, AI image generator can create an image for you. If you're not satisfied, then create again. And you must be very specific, like just say iPhone wallpapers, anime, something like that. And then create, wait for a couple of seconds, and this is what it looks like. The good thing about this Canva application, there are tons of features that you can use here. Aside from AI image generator, there is this also what we call image gen or imagine. So this is also same with this AI image generator. All you have to do is to type or create some prompts or keywords here, and they will produce or generate pictures for you. It's the same thing. And actually, aside from that, there's also text to speech and other features that you can explore inside this Canva tool. One more thing, aside from generating images, also Canva has this background remover. Let's just say they have produced or generated a good picture for you. However, you don't like the background of this image, then feel free to use their background remover. Okay, so you can just see it on application, or you can search it, and all you have to do is to upload that picture, and then you have to click or look for background remover. Okay, remove background, and this is what it looks like. And you can copy this image to anywhere. Like for example, I want to paste that image right here. Okay, let me do it again. So let me copy the image right here, place, and go to other image. Let's just say you want to create a book, or you want to create a magazine, something like that. It's this feature is a good thing. Okay, so that's it. Now, yes, Canva image generator is easy to use, making it accessible for beginners and professionals alike. Now, if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.